This is the Caterpillar Giant Excavators factory, where raw steel is transformed into machines powerful enough to reshape the earth itself. Deep within this massive facility, engineering giants are born.
Plus 0.01, we are good to go.
On the 150-meter assembly line, precision is paramount. Synchronized teams use The automated system ensures a precise 45-minute bake cycle, hardening the primer into a resilient, uniform coating.
Pressure at 350 bar and stable.
Roger that. No leaks detected. Proceed with release and tagging.
Clear on the mounts.
Start the sequence on bank 1.
Torquing now. Confirmed. Torque looks good on circuit 4.
Confirmed. Updating the schematic now.
Easy down on the front left. Looks good here. Engaging the forward bolts now. Torque sequence initiated. Bring it down slowly, watch the alignment pins. Looks good from here. Starting the torque sequence now.
Guide pin secured. Proceed with the final torque sequence.
Sequence initiated. Readings are nominal.
Check the port seals on cylinder 3.
Clear. No leakage detected.
Gauges are reading green. Movement is nominal.
Here we see the excavator's boom undergoing rigorous load testing against simulated resistance.
As the coolant flows steadily into the system, the engine runs at a controlled idle. Technicians monitor the thermal
All torque logs and calibration results are confirmed.
Looks good. Final certification approved.
Slew axis confirmed. Everything is within tolerance.
Finalizing the digital record now.
The readings are stable, well within limits. Confirmed. It's a pass.
Verify the hydraulic manifold specs against the build archive.
Confirmed. Scanning the serial now. Looks good, it's locked.
Load cells are reading green across the board. Center of gravity is perfect.
Rehearsal complete. Well done, team. All checks cleared. Handover complete.
Roger that. Let's move out.
In the controlled environment of the documentation bay, technicians finalize the pre-shipment checklist.
Pay close attention to these lift points and the exclusion zones marked in red. Ensure all personnel are clear during the crane swing.
All right, signature confirms factory acceptance complete.
Reviewed and accepted on our side. Load is secure.
Clear to move.
Readings are stable. Tapping verified.
Green light confirmed. We are cleared for transport.
Boom lock verified. Arm lock secure. Swing and travel locks checked. All systems green.
This one is tagged for the tropical zone. Double check the sealant.
Confirmed. The desiccants are also in place.
All systems green for the crane and hydraulics.
Torque wrench calibrated. We are clear for use.
Look at the cycle times here. This welding stage is still lagging.
Yes, but the energy optimization in stage 3 is now consistently green. I'll log that as completed.
The arrival of the new raw steel components energizes the primary assembly hall. The next production cycle officially begins.
Before the first cut, every tool path is meticulously verified through advanced simulation, ensuring...
All right, team, welcome to the kickoff for Excavator 7021. The timeline is tight, 12 weeks, so let's maintain our safety standards and hit these milestones.
The gantry laser etches a unique QR code onto the preheated steel, ensuring complete traceability for these massive structures.
The alignment is complete. All parameters are well within tolerance. We have a pass.
The swing drive is lowered precisely into the main frame. Technicians ensure the alignment pins engage smoothly before securing the fasteners.
Bring it down 5 millimeters, slow.
Copy that, descending slowly.
Alignment looks good on screen 3.
Sequence the bolts now.
Reading green on the torque.
It's tagged and logged.
Once the locking wedges are fully seated, the safety interlock is validated. The system confirms engagement, ensure.
The synchronization test is complete. Engine output and hydraulic demand are perfectly balanced, a triumph of precision engineering.
Scene ring 1 visual complete.
All checks cleared. Issuing final release for Unit 108.
Confirmed. The schedule is locked.
Handover is complete on the system.
Acknowledged. All right, team, engage the SPMT and proceed with caution.
The transformation is complete. From raw steel to engineered power, ready to move the world.